you should be investing. You've heard it from financial experts, successful business people, and even your friends. But the problem is, nobody seems to tell you exactly how to start. How much money do you need? Which investment you should choose? Which platform is safe? And how do you avoid losing your hard-earned money? If you have ever asked any of these questions, then this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through a practical step-by-step process for starting your investment journey in Nigeria. Welcome back. I am Chinenwale, a finance and tax consultant, business advisor, and a personal finance coach. This is the video 3 in our series on wealth creation, investment, and wealth management. In our last video, we discussed the major investment options available to Nigerians, including Treasury Bills, stocks, mutual funds, real estate, and dollar investments. Today, we move from theory to action. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap for taking your first step as an investor. The first step is knowing why you want to invest. This sounds simple, but it is one of the most important decisions you will make. Are you investing for retirement, your children's education, a future home, financial independence, or simply to grow your wealth over time? Your goal determines the type of investment that is suitable for you. Let me give you an example. Imagine two people. The first person wants to buy a house in 2 years. The second person is investing for retirement 20 years from now. Should they invest in exactly the same way? Probably not. The person saving for a house may prioritize safety and liquidity. The person investing for retirement may be willing to take more risk because they have more time for their money to grow. This is why every successful investment plan starts with a clear goal. The next step is understanding your time horizon and risk tolerance. Your time horizon simply means how long you intend to keep your money invested before you need it. Generally speaking, the longer your investment horizon, the more options you may have. Now, let us talk about risk. Every investment carries some level of risk. The real question is, how much risk are you comfortable with? And I am not talking about financial risk. I am talking about emotional risk. Imagine investing in shares and seeing your portfolio fall by 15 to 20% during a market downturn. Would you remain calm or would you immediately want to sell everything? Your answer matters because the best investment is not necessarily the one with the highest return. The best investment is the one you can comfortably stay invested in. There is absolutely nothing wrong with being a conservative investor. The goal is not to impress people. The goal is to achieve your financial objectives. One mistake many people make is trying to invest before putting their financial house in order. Investing without a foundation is like building a house on sand. Before you start investing, there are 3 things I recommend. First, build an emergency fund. Life happens, unexpected medical expenses, car repairs, business challenges, or temporary loss of income can occur at any time. Having money set aside for emergencies prevents you from withdrawing from your investment prematurely. Second, manage high-risk debts. If you're paying extremely high interest on loans, that should be addressed before aggressively pursuing investments. Third, protect yourself. Health insurance, life insurance, business insurance where applicable can help shield your finances from unexpected shocks. A strong financial foundation gives your investments a better chance to succeed. Once your foundation is in place, the next step is selecting investments that align with your goals and risk profile. If your priority is preserving your capital and earning relatively predictable returns, Treasury bills and government bonds may be suitable. If your goal is long-term growth, equity may be worth considering. If you want professional management and diversification, mutual funds may be a good option. If you prefer property-related investment, real estate and REITs can provide opportunities for income and long-term appreciation. And if you want some protection against currency depreciation, dollar-denominated investment may play an important role in your portfolio. One thing I want you to remember is this: investing is not about finding the perfect investment. It's about finding the right investment that is specific to your situation. Different investments serve different purposes, and in many cases, a combination of investments may be effective than relying on just one. Now that you know what you want to invest in, where do you actually invest? This is where many people get confused. For treasury bills and government bonds, you can invest through commercial banks and licensed financial institutions. For mutual funds, you can use licensed fund managers such as FBN Quest, Quantum, Zenith, Stanbic IBTC, and other regulated providers. There are also fintech platforms that are making investing more accessible to Nigerians. For stock, you will need a stockbroker licensed by the Security and Exchange Commission. The broker will help you open the necessary accounts and access the Nigerian Exchange Group. The key word is licensed. Before investing in any platform, take a few minutes to verify that they are properly regulated. If someone promises unusual high returns with little or no risk, be careful. Protecting your capital is just as important as growing it. Many people delay investing because they do not have enough money. But the truth is that investing is not reserved for millionaires. Many investment products today allow you to start with relatively small amounts. The most important thing is not how much you start with, is developing the habit of investing consistently. Let us look at a simple example. Suppose you invest 20,000 naira every month. You continue doing this consistently over several years while earning reasonable returns. Over time, the money begins to benefit not only from your contribution but also from the returns generated from previous returns. This is the power of compound growth, and it is one of the most effective wealth building tools. The earlier you start, the more time compound growth has to work in your favor. Before you make your first investment, let me help you avoid some common mistakes. First, do not invest money you may need urgently. Second, do not chase unrealistic returns. If someone promises you double of your money in a few weeks or months, ask questions. Third, do not invest simply because everyone around you is investing. Understand what you are putting your money into. And finally, do not put all your money into one investment. Diversification remains one of the simplest ways to manage investment risk. Remember, successful investing is usually boring. It is built on patience, discipline, and consistency. Before we conclude, let us briefly talk about tax. This is an area many investors overlook. Depending on the type of investment, taxes may apply to dividend, interest income, or capital gains. The good news is that some investment income may enjoy favorable tax treatment under the current Nigerian tax laws. Understanding the implications of your investments can help you make better decisions and retain more of your returns. This is one reason why professional financial tax advice can be valuable. Let's recap. Successful investing starts with having a clear goal. It requires understanding your risk tolerance and investment timelines. It requires building a solid financial foundation. It requires choosing the right investment and using trusted regulated platforms. And most importantly, it requires consistency. You do not need millions of naira to begin. You simply need a plan and the discipline to follow it. The best time to start investing was years ago. The second best time is today. In our next video, we'll discuss how to build an investment portfolio and how to combine different investments to reduce risk and grow wealth over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share with someone that is ready to start investing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.